Good afternoon. Welcome back. This is your man, the Ottoman. I'm here to give you an update. This is the Kia Centavi Hyundai Centavi 2015 model. Just trying to show you the timing of the engine. You can see the engine here. See, this is the two camshafts. You can see the two camshafts. Let's start from here, from the VVTI point. You can see the point here, right there at the intake camshaft. You can see the right point there. See it here and here. So I marked here. You can see here at the back. Try and see it clearly. You can see here at the back. So I mark it here so I won't be able to mistake it. You will see another mark at the exhaust camshaft there also. You will see it. Let's go down to the crankshaft straight away. Let's go down to the crankshaft. You can see the crankshaft here. See the point there. I want you to see the point clearly. You can see the point here. This is the crankshaft. So the point and the mark at the chain is corresponding to each other. How did I get the point here? That is the main issue. Let me explain to you for you to get the point here. When you turn your engine, you will turn the crankshaft bolt here. When you turn the crankshaft bolt here, you will turn it. So this number one plug piston will be up and fully. You will check it carefully so the piston will come up fully. When you remove your cylinder, when you remove the cylinder, you will see everything clearly. But when cylinder is on top, you will need to remove the plug here, the number one plug, and you will make sure the piston come up fully, so you can get the point at the crankshaft correctly. This point that I show you under, so you can get it correctly. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like, share the videos. Thanks. God bless you. You can see this facing there, this facing. Thanks for watching.